Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your brother Vani. In today's vlog, I'm changing my exhausts baffle. That is these exhausts. So I've been using Screaming Eagle exhaust with custom baffles, and it was pretty loud back then. But right now I've got some, the what do you call it as a silenced or the muffled kind of a baffle for us. So right now I've stripped down the exhaust, and these are the custom baffles which I've got it done. So apparently these are gonna be louder and a lot more free flowing. So this is the baffle that it has inside. You can't see through, but then this is the exhaust that I was running. This is the Screaming Eagle exhaust, and I'm attempting to make it as loud as possible, and I hope this will be the loudest bike. And if you guys are new to my channel, this bike has won the 2014 India Superbike Festival for the loudest bike in the segment of 883 to 1000cc. So I'll have the photo of it as well, and I'll put a video of the exhaust with this the stock baffle, so that you can listen to that sound too. And right now, as you can see, I've stripped down the exhaust, and it is only on the header pipes. So apparently I'm gonna even rewrap it if possible. If not, I'm just gonna leave it the same. And I'll give you a sound clip of this exhaust. I mean, not exhaust, just the header pipes. It's gonna be really loud and really vulgar as well. Hope my neighbors are okay with it. Yes, it definitely is extremely loud. So now without further ado, I'll just go ahead with replacing these baffles and then give it a quick fire and make you guys listen to it. Cheers, guys. Okay, so I managed to take out the first baffle. So this is the baffle that I was talking to you guys about. This is again a custom baffle, and it has another inner lining, if you can see here. Wait, over here, yeah, there. And it's pretty much done, dusted. So that's the custom baffle. This used to be pretty loud, but right now I've got another plate inside which controls the airflow and made it a little quieter. So the wool is still inside, it's all burnt. I'm definitely not touching that, because once I touch it, it's gonna itch me all over. So I'm not gonna do that. Meanwhile, I'll show you the stock baffle that comes for this particular exhaust as well. And now Balloon is helping me in removing the header pipes. So once that is removed, I'm gonna rewrap those as well. Alright, so meanwhile, one pipe is out, so the other header needs to be removed. And this is the stock baffle that I was talking to you guys about. So this is the stock Screaming Eagle baffle. So it has a hollow pipe, and then from here you can't see anything through because you have a bend here. So basically these air travels from the end over here and then goes top and then gets into it and then comes out of this exhaust. So that's the reason it was not that loud enough. So I got the other baffles done, which is over there. And now we have another baffle. That's this one. So apparently this is my fourth custom baffle, and those are the same size of the stock ones, if you can see, but doesn't have this design. So it doesn't have this the temperature, what do you call it, as the bend, right? So that's not there in this, and there's a little more thicker material. So let's see how it goes. So while trying to install the baffles, we had a problem. So the measurement for the holes were a little mismatched. So we are getting that fixed now. So we got it done from here, ML Machine Manufacturers. This is at Premier in Bangalore. So right now we're just getting it aligned, and once that is ready, probably we can fix it. Okay. So that's Mr. Lokesh. So he is the one who is helping us out with this.
இதுக்குள்ள அது இது போவாது. ஃபைல் மாதிரி ஃபைல்.
So we finished installing these baffles. Baffles are in. But we tried wrapping the exhaust pipes as well, but unfortunately this is not happening. So we have decided to, leave it to the professionals itself. So one part is unwrapped and the other one is wrapped. So now moment of truth. So we're gonna install the exhausts and find out how loud it is, or is it gonna be bad, or is it gonna be nice. We'll just find out in a bit. Finally, the exhaust is installed. As I told you, we had to let that go because we couldn't wrap it properly. That's because we couldn't take this particular header out. That's because of the O2 sensor, so we didn't want to hamper with it. So now the exhausts are ready. I want to fire it up. It's already late. It's 6:30, and let's try. We'll give it a spin because we really want to know how it sounds. And yeah, so that's about it. So now we'll just fire it up, go for a ride, and you guys let me know how it is. Alright, so it's been a long process, and if you guys like this video, please do smash that like button, and if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing. So now let's get it out and start it up. Sorry guys, unfortunately I cannot ride now as it's raining heavily here. Anyways, we'll give it a start so that you guys can hear it. One sec, I'll just go to the other side. Okay, come on Melu, crank it up. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we are back in business. So the bike is definitely louder, and I am impressed. This thing has come out really well. This is exactly the sound that I was expecting for. Wow, can't be happier, man. Can't be happier. So maybe I need to ride some other day because of this rain. So let's see how it goes later on. And thanks a lot guys, thanks for watching, and that's about it. And so once again, thank you so much for watching, and please do smash that like button. Cheers guys, I'm out.